Hello boss, what do you want to buy today?
I will buy you a lot of goods.
We have air diffusers, air grille, oil damper, flexible plug, and machine to sell.
How is the price?
Competitive price and good quality.
How much?
Here, if you want to buy air diffusers, air grille, oil damper, flexible plug, and machine in the future, no need to look for another company. Just choose Vairtech.
Do other companies have such good service like yours?
Of course, other company provides attending service, but we are different. We are devoted to you with all our hearts and souls.
Good.
Hello dear, please feel free to contact me for simple.
20 years of HVAC grilles, mass production, consistent quality,